Welcome to Duke Signature. This is the part 2 of how to cut a trouser without measuring the tie, professional way. All right. If you have not watched the part 1, please, I'll drop the part 1 of this, how to cut the front side of a trouser. It's in the description below. Just check the description. The link is there. And don't forget to click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video. Please, if you have questions, don't forget to drop it at the comment section. I'll be there to attend to you. All right, so just sit back and watch how to cut and draft the backside of a trouser in a professional manner. All right, so we've gotten this. All we just need to do now, just watch. Okay. Another thing while cutting your trouser is management. I'm not saying you should overmanage, okay, if there is any English like that, okay, but what I'm saying is that you manage your fabric properly while cutting, because there are sometimes the allowance or the extra can help you in case there is error, okay, while cutting or while sewing. And so you manage your fabric first. And so now this is how it is. Okay, it was this way. And so what you need to do is this now. Please don't separate the front piece. These two, don't separate them. Don't separate them at all. They are useful. So this is how it is. But now look at how I'll change it. Okay, I want to place it on top of this to cut the back. So what I'll do is this. Please watch closely. This, I'll bring it here. Okay, I'll bring it here. Okay, just watch me. Watch carefully. If this video have been of a help to you, please don't forget to click on like, and smash the subscribe button. Make sure you smash the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, if you are new to my channel. And please share this video. Okay, the more you share this video to others, the more YouTube show this video to others. And if you are confused, please drop a comment. Okay, if you want me to be slow a bit to explain in details, I will. Okay, but I don't want this video to be too long for you so that it won't be boring. So I haven't done this. What I need to do is to cut. I'll cut the excess. Okay, and so watch me as I cut the excess away, the excess of the back. I'll cut them away. You do not need them. Watch closely. Watch closely. Make sure the two pieces are equal and even. Okay, so that you get your shape. All right. Having done this, what we need to do is simple. All right. This is the waist side. All you need to do is to add 1 inch. Okay. The wind is denying me of cutting this. And so all we need to do is this. Add 1 inch to this side. This is 1 inch. Add 1 inch to this side of it. 1 inch. 1 inch. Here, use 3. Now, if the person has a big waist, that's the waist is big, 40 and above, please use 3.5. Okay, here I use 3. Okay, 3, and then I draw this line. All right, and then watch me. I want to draw a curve. Immediately I get to this point. Okay, while drawing this,
I maintain 1 inch, please. I maintain 1 inch from here. Okay, so watch me. From here to here is 1 inch, and then from here to here you slide it. Okay, make it slant rather. You slant it. Your waist is not your waist here is not, it's not straight. The waist of a man is not, it's not straight. So what we do here now, if you want to put that, or you want to put pocket, okay, back pocket, all you just need to do, this is 1/3, measure 1/3. From 1/3, if you want your pocket size, that's the size of your pocket, to be 5.5. Here I want it to be 5.5, okay, at the end. So 5.5, this is 5.5, this is 5.5, and so half of 5.5 will give us 2/3. So from here I measure 2/3, I mark. So it means here will be the middle of my pocket, and then this is where I'll get my dart from. My dart is usually 1/2 inch, please, it's 1/2 inch. Okay, it's because here it's not properly aligned, that's why. This 1/2 inch, okay, this is where my dart will be. And then for the leg part, okay, the down part, the ankle part, you measure 1.5. Okay, difference between the back and the front is 1.5 at the ankle part. Okay, at the middle part or at the knee part, please, it is 2 inch. 2 inch, usually 2 inch. These are the middle part, 2 inch. Okay, and then you use your leg curve, all right, to get your line. All right, okay, and then you cut. Okay, so watch me as I cut. Okay, all right, now you can see that we are through cutting the front and the back. The front, and please do not, I repeat, do not remove any of them until when you are through preparing them with iron. Okay, and make sure for your trouser to come out neat and sharp, you must iron, sew and iron, sew and iron, or stitch and iron. Okay, so for my pocket, I have 2.5. My pocket, the length of my pocket will be 7, 7, 7. Okay, this is 7. All right, this is from the front piece, so not the back, the front side of your. Then you notch, please, notch with 1/4. Okay, 1/4, please, notch with 1/4. Very important. Right, haven't done this, then we are through. Okay, we are through, and thank you for watching with us. Don't forget, this is Duke's signature. Don't forget to drop a comment at the comment section if you want me to teach you how to sew a pocket, a trouser pocket, front pocket, trouser back pocket. Okay, how to do finishing in a neat finishing in trouser. Please drop the comment section. I will be glad to do that. I need your feedback. All right, thank you very much. See you in our next video.